everyone, welcome back. Still cracking on with the Mini, and this week I'm going to get it painted under the engine bay and in the boot. I'm also going to put some epoxy around the bits on the door, like sort of around these areas, like I'm not doing all that. I'm going to do across there. I've had to rattle this down a little bit just to tidy these edges up a bit, because where it had aftermarket door cards on it, that gap had been opened up slightly, so I've dressed all that back down and got one of the original door cards, and that looks like it's going to look nice now, so that's sorted. Also epoxy the outside of the doors. It has got a coating on these skins, but yeah, I need something on there to bodywork over, so yeah, do the same on that one. It's already in the boot, it's all seam sealed up, so all I've got to do now is mix some epoxy up and get all the epoxy painted, and then in a couple of hours time we will base and clear it in the boot and in the engine bay, but not the doors. The doors will get bolted back on and they'll be painted when the whole car's painted. But that should be the last time the doors go back on this after I've done these. Thank God, I've lost count of how many times. Yeah, so I've been around the garage, been around the petrol station and got some petrol for my generator, just because we don't want to run out halfway through doing this. It's so bloody expensive now. I remember when like a 5 litre can you'd struggle to get 5 quid's worth in. Put 10 quid's worth in and there's still a tiny bit of gap left. Mental. But there you go. It is what it is. We want to do these things, so let's crack on. I'm not going to film all of this. I'll probably just film a bit in the engine bay, to be honest, because I can film from afar rather than getting my camera all covered in paint again. Right, here we go. go, there's a couple of coats in there. I did film a little bit, as you just saw, under the engine bay, but yeah, it's a bit dark down here. I don't want to get this camera, which I'm pointing at, covered in paint. So yeah, these are all epoxied, so these can be bolted back on once they're dry. Right, I'm just waiting for this to go off enough so I can base and clear it. Yeah, come out right. It's a bit, we got a little bit of surface pit in there, but it's all been treated, so without cutting it all out, which I'm not doing, it'll be fine. Yeah, it's all good. that's going to be about it again for this video. Yeah, I forgot to film the first coat of the lacquer, but yeah, I'm not sure exactly what I did and didn't film, but you've already seen it, whatever it is. But yeah, just a quick look. It's not perfect, but it's nice and tidy in there now. There's a little bit of mottle in there. I think I might have put the clear on a bit too early, but that's fine. So yeah, we're all good there. I'll just seam sealed up around the doors so I can bolt them doors back on next time. And I'll just seam sealed down the back of the A pillars as well, the A panels. So we'll have a quick look under the bonnet. So yeah, pretty happy with how it's come out. It's only to tidy it up under there anyway, really, and seal it all in. So jobs are good. Right, thanks for watching. Catch you next time.